close till I get up. Time is barely up.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Paula and this is my humble little corner of the internet, and here we do everything beauty, skincare, hair, makeup, hauls, reviews, you name it. So if this is the kind of video you like to watch, I invite you to subscribe and stay joined to the family. And I'd like to say thank you so much for my return supporters. I love you guys, appreciate you guys a bunch. So today's video is a hair extension video. You guys know that I love it. So I'm gonna make this intro really quick because we're going to install the hair extension. So I'm gonna install a couple of pieces so you guys can see how taping can be done home. You can do it yourself, girl, if you don't want to spend the extra buck for install. Yes, so the hair extension is from Sunny Hair. Alright, I'm going to have a Sunny Hair link on the description of this video where you guys can check them out. Alright, the hair extension is 100% human Ramy hair. They are gorgeous, they are very good and high quality. So I have the hair installed here and they look fabulous. I love them. They are really good quality and they are full all the way to the ends. You guys can see that it's not like you know, thin hair here. Yes, love the hair quality, 10 out of 10. Shipping was super fast, they're very professional, and on the website too you have all the different kind of hair. So this is the tapes that you guys know that I use, but they also have clippings and all the hair related stuff. So the website's gonna be right here if you guys want to check them out. So let's see how I install this hair so this video don't get so long. And thank you so much, Sunny Hair, for sending me the hair to do this video. I love you guys, I appreciate you guys a bunch. And on the end of the video I have a little surprise box that they sent me that I'm going to be showing you guys, so keep watching. Alright guys, so I have my hair prepared. So my hair is washed, got a haircut. So I got the hair a little darker because the hair extension that we're going to use, this is the color here. I just hope this color, I think it's going to match like the base color here. If it doesn't match, later we fix the color. Before we get the hair extension installed, I just want to show you guys really quick the hair extension that I'm going to be using. This one is 22 inch. They have 50 grams in each hair bundle. And this one is from Sunny Hair. I like to say thank you so much for Sunny Hair. Normally I'm gonna use 3 packages on my head, so I have 2 of them here. I just want to show you guys how the box come packed. That is the company right here. I'm going to link them down in the description of this video if you guys want to check them out. The hair is gorgeous, very healthy, very beautiful, very shiny. Look how good quality. This is 100% human Ramy hair. Very nice. Taping hair extension. Like I say, this one is 22 inch. The quality of the hair is really beautiful, shiny, super soft, which I like it. So if you're looking to change your look, girl, get in touch with Sunny Hair. I have the extra hair here. I'm just going to show you guys what comes in the box. So you get a little like brochure telling you how to apply the tape, and the hair comes like this, packed in a little plastic bag with some extra tape if you want to retape. This is the hair info right here, and the 22 inch, 50 grams. Very nice. Thank you so much, Sunny Hair. I love you guys, appreciate you guys a bunch. Thank you for the extra hair. So I use 3. Before I used to be greedy. I used to put like 4 hair packed on my hair. I can fit it, but for care for the hair, it's a lot of time when you wash and dry and style. So one time I put a 3 pack because I didn't have I ordered 3 pack. I ordered 4 pack and one of them they didn't have in stock on the lens, so they didn't send, they canceled without telling me. Not them, or the company that I ordered from. So I ended up putting only 3 packs of hair, and I liked it. You know, it was very easier to maneuver. It's so full and it's not so heavy. You know, my hair is, you know, thinner, so when you have a lot of weight on the hair, you can start pulling out the hair. So I like the 3-pack. So then now I am doing 3-pack and it's looking fabulous. I'm gonna show you guys a little bit how to install. I'm probably gonna show you guys like a couple of rows in the front, because in the back is very difficult for me to show you, because I have to sit in front of a mirror and have a chair behind me with other mirror in the back, and you know, look what I'm doing there. So I don't have my camera on that angle, I don't have lights there, so it would not be nice to see it. So when I finish to do like the back and I'm ready to come to the sides, I'm gonna come and show you guys a little bit how to do it, how easy it is to do it. So I'm doing the whole head myself. Alright, so this is the 3 packs that I'm going to be using today from Sunny Hair. Thank you again, Sunny Hair, appreciate you guys for sending me these hair for this video. So here is the hair is fabulous. I love it. So let me go get this half of the head installed and I'll see you guys in a little bit. I'm back, and I did put in all my extension on the back. So far so good. I'm very happy with how the hair color is coming out. They are matching perfect. So now I'm gonna show you guys how I do my front of the hair, so because I can stare at the camera and show you guys what I'm doing. Alright, so the first thing is we're gonna do, I just have like the sides here, I have no hair, so the back of the hair is all there. So I'm just going to clip that out of my way. So as you guys can see, I don't have any hair extension on the sides here. I like to leave like 2 fingers from my face. Alright, so 2 extensions. So how I do is like, I do the easy way. So 2 fingers from my face, so I have enough hair for cover. When I put the hair back, now you just press and then you slightly pull it out. So when you pull it out up like this, you're gonna have like a whole bunch of little hair that's going to be. So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna lift the hair and take any excess hair that you have on the tape. Alright, so this hair extension is ready for have the another one sandwich on the top. You guys can see it's a clean slate. Now what I do is I remove the tape from my extension and I'm going to go under this. So I use my fingers as guide, if you guys can see, like this. So when I'm touching, I just touch the end of one extension with another one, so I know they are aligned. I feel like I'm ready. I just sandwich them together like this. And after you do this process, you wanna go in with your flat iron, and you just wanna press slightly in the top of the tape. That's going to heat up the glue and make them stick together better. Alright, so we have our first extension in, and that's what they look like. Perfect. Let's separate a little bit more of hair.
And to create a song, I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And
alright guys, so let's go to our second extension line. This one I'm gonna put 2 extensions.
and on we'll go.
Alright, so let's do our next. This is I think our last extension row on this side.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon.
Alright guys, so this side of the hair, it's gorgeous. It's all done. So let me go back so you guys can see the length. This hair is stunning. It's 22 inch. That's how the hair goes. Gorgeous. So now that you guys see how I do it, I'm gonna do this side out of the camera so the video gets so long, and I'll come back to show you guys the final results. So this is the final result of the hair extension installed. It looks gorgeous. This hair looks amazing. Love it. great quality. The hair is gorgeous, is extremely healthy, and I return for my friends Sunny Hair. So if you guys want to check them out, link for them is going to be on the description of this video. And I'm not sure if I have a discount code, but if I do too, it's going to be on the description of this video where you guys can find this gorgeous hair extension. The color is a Sunny Balayage 22-inch, 50 gram, and it comes with a 20 sandwich in each box. Alright, and I want to show you guys this box that I got from them. So this box super cute. Thank you. They gave me this box for gift for, I think it was Women International Day. I know it's been so long ago. I'm so sorry. Forgive me. The box is gorgeous. Thank you so much. Love it. So pretty. So, and in this box it comes this cute little hair extension hanger. This is like if you travel and carry your, this is good for clip-in hair extension, like if you're traveling, you want to carry. So they sent me this, and this bag is so pretty. And this cute little bag here, look at this, it's like a garment bag for you carry your hair extension. Super pretty. So this goes in here. Alright, and this if you like to carry your, I think this would be more for clipping hair extension. You just put it here and then you fold it like if it was a garment, so it's easy for you to travel. And this is great because I'm gonna be traveling soon, and I do want to bring one set of clipping hair extension that I have here for my sister. So I think I'm gonna put on this little bag and give it to her as a gift because it looks so pretty. And also they sent me this. It's like a tinsel for you put on your hair. You can put on your hair with like a clip in, or you can put it with the microchip. It's really cute. Thank you so much. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys a bunch. Also they sent me some fluffy lashes and some hair clips. These hair clips is so useful when you put it in the extension. I use them all the time, so never enough to have them. Thank you so much. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys a bunch. I'm so sorry again for taking so long. Like I said, I'm like here with work. I have like my storage SIM card is full of work that will add it to my PR's video, but I'm gonna find time for post everyone's video. I will. I just have to work extra. Link for Sunny Hair is going to be on the description of this video where you guys can purchase this gorgeous hair extension and look fabulous like me. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I see you guys next video. Bye.